being stalled, will it be stalled just like that every day?
Why don't you
People are
ask the
coming here.
government? Why don't you ask the government why the leader of opposition is not allowed to speak?
Ma'am, this is a very
There's a
Why
very
don't
serious
no? Have
issue
you?
with
I would like to know.
Gandhi.
Have you asked them? Have you asked Amit Shah ji? Have you asked the Prime Minister? Have you asked the government why they are not allowing the LOP to speak? Do they have any basis to stop him from quoting a published source? They do not. So don't continuously every day ask this question to the opposition.
But
The
Ms.
fact
Gandhi,
is
every
no.
day you all are coming since Monday. The
Yes,
parliament
we
is
are.
being stalled.
Yes.
How will the
Ma'am,
house
they are saying
function?
that this is
There has
not a
been no
public
discussion
forum.
also.
There is no discussion because the government does not want to discuss anything. That is the fact.
This is
also very
opposition
serious
or-
allegation
And
by the
frankly,
chair.
if the government has
Ma'am.
given you questions to ask,
No, that's not.
then it's fine. I'll answer them
Ma'am,
all.
also very
I'll
serious
answer them
because we are
all.
also
Ma'am,
coming
very
every day.
serious
We really
allegation
want-
on opposition
I have
members
already
by the
answered.
speaker.
One word. Speaker is saying that yesterday what happened was disgraceful and shameful. What is
What
your
happened?
response?
What happened?
The way women MPs were in front of the treasury bench and tried
So the women MPs were standing in front of the Treasury bench. So what?
But there was a
And
strategy
the
to
Prime
hurt
Minister,
him.
absolute lies. It is an absolute lie. There is no question of anybody raising any hands on the Prime Minister, trying to hurt him or any such thing. There is no question. So it is absolutely wrong of anybody to say that there was any such plan. There was no such plan. But if you're going to allow your members to stand and quote books and talk nonsense, then this side, the opposition benches are going to protest. And I'm sorry, but the Prime Minister is now hiding behind the Speaker. They are making the Speaker say all this. Because yesterday he did not have the guts to come in the House. What? Because 3 women were standing in front of his bench? What nonsense is this?
Ms. Gandhi, Parliament will be stalled every day. Ms. Gandhi, Parliament will be stalled every day like this. Will the Parliament will be stalled every day like this? Will the Parliament be stalled every day like this?